cc. And we have some kind of lineup, maybe. We got maybe a hot water cooler. No, it's chill water. I don't know. Yeah, this is heat. So this is some kind of makeup air system. The coil, all exposed. Goes to, it looks like maybe a 12 by 12 or 14 by 14 sidewall grill. Valves and such. So there's a lot of electrical going on in here. So we got that electrical gear, and then it comes across. Just review the electrical real quick. It comes all the way through. And we got air handler 30 in here. Electric continues on. Okay. A lot of crisscross crossing there. It looks like this is our lowest conduit and maybe fire protection or fire alarm. These are pretty low too. Those feed something else. We're just going through. Oh, yep. So I think that pipe, that conduit needs to be respected. A lot of stuff exiting that way. Maybe a rainwater lead right there. Okay. Okay, natural gas piping. Looks like there could be some damage to the roofing there. May want to clean that up. Okay, so we got the electrical talked about. So we have plenum here. Or, yeah. Another one here. Looks like our combustion air is taken straight from that. We may not be able to come back and do that again with lock and bar. Got another set here for these 3 boilers. Okay. And then it looks like we got an exhaust flue that goes up. That one has its own individual. There's another one. Let's see, that one. Yeah, it looks like they're all individual. Air separator. So we do have 6 individual outlets. One was made, maybe 2 of them are made or retrofitted. Okay. Let's see what else we got on this wall. Alright, so we got temperature control panels right there. We got this pump here, which I think is, yeah, it's called pump P10. He's off in hand. We got this VFD for this pump here. Armstrong, that one's running. It's running at, oh, 50 hertz. Let's see. I'm seeing 60. 15, 55, 45. This one is off, but he's not off in hand. Pump 14. What's this one? Pump 15. Okay. Got a couple expansion tanks here. Presuming they're both for the heating hot water system. Some really old pipe there. Okay, we got even more expansion tanks. Chill water is right here. Oh, they're all gang together. Okay, yeah. Ooh, that's a nasty pipe in there. So all 4 of these tanks are for heating hot water. They tie in right there. Okay, good. Okay, what else? Alright, so we got a pressure reducing station here. Got a drain pipe right there. here. Gets connected somewhere in there. That'll have to get redone. Okay. So that's the drain. So we could potentially leave this here for water makeup. I think it goes into, where does it go? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the water makeup for the boilers, no doubt. Okay, so there's that wall. This wall's pretty open. There's some stubs right there, that's cool. Wall's pretty open, pretty open, pretty open.